All right, so now we can array this chair all the way to this point here. So we're going to array it from this point to this point. So select your object, click on the array tool or tap AR on your keyboard. And then what you need to do is you need to group and associate, and you need to move to last and make sure constraint is on as well. So it's going to be a linear array. So I'm going to start from this point. So tap SI to select this point here, and I go all the way to this point here, and then click to place it in place. What I also like to do is lock this just so that it doesn't move in our project. So I'm going to tap AL on my keyboard and then align this to our reference plane. Perfect. Now select your group and then click on this line here, which is the array line. And we can associate a parameter to this array line as well. So let's create a new parameter. And in this case, it's going to be our chair count width. So this is the number of chairs along the width of our table. So this can be an instance parameter. And we can group it under constraints. Then click on OK. Now I'd like to control the chair count based on the width of our table and our chair spacing as well. So we can add a formula to our family types. So let's go to our family types here. And next to chair count width, we can add our formula here. So tap in if. So this is going to be our table width. If open brackets, table width. So if our table width is less than 1400 mm, I'm going to use 0 chairs. I'll show you how to use visibility graphics later. So let's keep it at 0, or let's keep it at 1 for now. So when it's less than 1400 mm, I would like to show only 1 chair for our table. Now, if it is more than 1400 mm, you need to make sure you give a comma as well. So when it is less than 1400 mm, it's just 1 chair. And if it's more than 1400 mm, it needs to adjust based on the length. So we need to add a formula here. So it can be round down, so which is rounding down a number to the lowest decimal. So if let's say you have 3.5, it would round down to 3, or 3.6, it would go round down to 3, and so on. So let's round down our table width. So table underscore width. Make sure it is the same name as what is mentioned here. So right now you can see that it is table width. Even the case is important here. It needs to be uppercase here, the first letter.